The argument for chicken first. 1. The necessity of incubation. An egg is a fragile biological vessel. Without a mother chicken to provide constant warmth, incubation, and protection from predators, the embryo inside would never develop. In nature, life requires a nurturer to bridge the gap between conception and independence. Therefore, the chicken must have existed first to provide the specific environment required for an egg to survive. 2. The protein ovaclatin 17. Scientifically, there is a specific protein called ovaclatin 17, OC17, which is essential for the formation of the chicken eggshell. This protein is only found inside the ovaries of a chicken. Without this specific protein, the eggshell cannot crystallize and form. Since the protein comes from the chicken must have existed to produce the very first eggshell. 3. The functional design. With the comparison to Adam, a first being often arrives fully formed to function within its environment. A spermatozoid or an egg is a potential life, but it lacks the agency to feed itself or defend itself. For a species to begin and survive its first day on Earth, it requires the complex systems of an adult, the ability to move, find food, and protect its offspring.